Spring and summer vacation season is here, and we want to look great, but we also want to keep things low maintenance when we travel. Luckily, lifestyle expert Bianca Jade from MsFit.com is here with some ideas for stress-free vacation style. I love this because I always, you should have seen me, 5 days on a cruise, I had steamer trunks with me. I overpacked.
That's me.
How do you pack smarter?
Lightweight, wrinkle-free, carefree, and versatile. Those are my 4 tips.
So if it doesn't
everything
fit,
here embodies that.
Oh, nice. So if it doesn't fit into those, you don't need to bring it.
Nope.
All right. Well, you brought us some great things. So let's start on the end.
Let's start with a cover-up. That's something that I feel like we often forget because we think we're going somewhere really warm and that, you know, it might not get cold at night. Also, if you're at the beach and then you go to a nice restaurant afterwards, putting a cover-up on will just, you know, make sure you're all proper for the restaurant. Right. So a nice cover-up like this one from LA-based designer Gemma Sands is fun, flirty. It's got these really fun pom-poms on it, and just pull it on over your bathing suit. Looks good with jeans, shorts, whatever. And then this one right here below me is by Anthony Urso. It is a more sleek and athleisure style. And Anthony Urso is a brand that's really making waves in the fashionable activewear category. So that's one to watch out for. I really love how cozy and warm it is, and it has those deep pockets for carrying your sunglasses, your SPF, whatever. And
it's still stylish. I mean, I think about my mom's cover-ups from when I was a kid, look like art smocks.
Schmata.
Yeah,
Schmata, yes.
Some of those cover-ups are just like, I mean, the trend is loose, long, and billowy, but it doesn't mean we have to look like, you know, we're wearing a blanket. Right. So that's what I love about these, is that they're very feminine.
That's great. All right, now we don't want to miss jewelry. What have you brought for us?
So travel-friendly stackable jewelry is my thing. I'm wearing one of these items. They're from a website called agabumi.com, which sells all these amazing pieces from Bali that are made by Balinese artists. These are great because they're a combination of leather, silver, copper, rubber. These are really beautiful, and they're nice because you want to leave your expensive jewelry at home. You're never going to forgive yourself if you lose that, you know, ring that's been in your family for ages. But these items are still like really pretty. You know, they're beach resistant. I like to say sand, heat, water resistant. So if you get them wet, it's not a big deal. But they're really fun. They're unique pieces since they are made from these Balinese artisans. And again, we have some really great basket bags, which is a trend straight off the New York Fashion Week runways. This is all from that website, agabumi.com.
Before we get into the bags,
fun pieces.
I love about the jewelry is that it is versatile. It's like you could wear that with jeans, you could also dress that up at night.
Anything. And you know, it's just, like I said, carefree, because when you're on vacation, you want to let loose. You don't want to be wearing your super nice stuff. You want to look like you're on vacation.
Yes. All right. So you were starting to talk about bags.
I'm just so excited about these bags because this is the must-have trend for spring and summer. The whole basket bag thing. You're going to see it everywhere. And what the kids are doing is they're dangling a really beautiful sash, you know, silky sash, or, you know, a fringe scarf. They're looping it through, tying it to the strap to give it, you know, sort of like a personalization there. I really love this bag right here because it's protective for my camera, which when you're on vacation, you're taking lots of pictures, right? Maybe you have one of those small digital cameras. This, because it's a woven rattan, or, you know, in this case, a bamboo wood, it's going to protect your valuables. Like, I will not put this in a soft bag. I mean, this is like too precious to me. So that's another reason. And listen, you know, this might look a little big for your suitcase, but it's so easy to carry. It's so light to carry that you can, you know, take it as your carry-on.
And change it up with the scarf. That's great.
Yes.
All right, sunglasses if we're coming to the Sun Coast.
Gotta take the sunglasses, and I love velvet eyewear sunglasses because they're trendy, but most importantly affordable, because I can never decide on just one pair of sunglasses. So these sunglasses that you can get on velveteyewear.com have 100% UV protection lenses. They're designed big to cover up and protect as much of our face as possible. And you can get them in the style box, which comes with 3 pairs, 3 different pairs for $129. Hello, that's the price of like maybe half a pair of designer sunglasses. So I love these. You can have so much fun with them.
Wow, and I love these clear ones too, because these, again, you can dress them up, you can dress them down, they can look elegant, they can also look very casual.
Or maybe they're your headband. That's what always happens with me.
All right, bringing your own towel. This towel is amazing. Tell us about it.
Okay, so people sometimes think I'm crazy because I'm always like, oh, I got to pack my towels. They're like, why are you packing your towels? You can get those at the hotel. Well, the towels you're going to get at the hotel, wherever you're staying, are like big plush towels that get wet and heavy. A microfiber towel, like this one from Dock and Bay, dries in seconds, and just if you put it out in the breeze, it packs up, it folds up really slim, it's compact, it's great for a day trip. If you go out to the beach and you just don't want to carry all those towels, you don't want your beach bag to be heavy, this is the way to go.
I want you all to get a chance to feel this.
It feels like nothing.
You're right, and this does dry very quickly because you're right. The last thing you want to do is take a big terry cloth, the towel that's wet into your suitcase.
I go to Hawaii every year, and I like taking this because I go hiking, and then we get into the waterfalls and everything, and it's great because you don't feel it in your backpack when you're carrying it. And these range from $20 to $30, so they're really affordable.
Now, we want to protect from the sun, and so you are talking about some
Yes. Okay, so reducing the product that you're putting in your toiletry bags by combining SPF and makeup. That's my trick. And Color Science is a well-respected brand in the sun protection category. So you might recognize their Sun Forgettable brush, which is a foundation powder that you can literally brush on. You're brushing on sunscreen that you can put over your base layer or even over your makeup. And they also have a new Total Eye 3-in-1, which protects, corrects, and conceals. So that's pretty awesome.
These are all great ideas. They'll all, not only are they stylish, but they will fit in our bags, which is the most important. Well, you can find out more of Bianca's ideas on her website. That is MizFit.com. That's M-I-Z-Z, fit.com. Coming up next, we have a music lesson from some very talented students from the Wakeland Elementary School.